making some endgame people, because look at that body. Do you think that body's awesome to make a endgame person? Because it looks awesome, like an Iron Man in a quantum suit. That body is the best for it. It's just like, who should we make? I think we should make the leader of the Avengers. No, not the leader, the two. Let's make Captain America. Yeah, Captain America. One. Can you customize a Falcon? Yep, you can customize a Falcon. He doesn't have hair. See if you can customize with his body. I'm pretty sure you can. Yep, that looks awesome. Oh, the wrong color hands. We need a different. We need the white color hands. That really looks like. We just need to put some weapons in. That's ABC's. Weapons. Shield. Seriously? They don't have like the Kameka shield? That's weird. We'll just call it red. That why we need blue hearts. No, red for the Avengers. My voice. Oh yeah, he doesn't have a shield in the endgame. That why, wrong weapon. He actually has, yeah, he has Thor's hammer. It's weird. Huh, where's hammers? Oh, we can use that for Stormbreaker if we make the endgame Hawk. I mean, not the endgame Hawk, the endgame 4. Yeah, that he has. Because in a Ragnarok, he blows, Hela blows up, the hammer, and then, but in endgame, these suits when go back to the past, that way, Thor got his hammer back and gave to Captain America. That way. Yeah. Oh. Okay, he's not invincible. Yeah. No wall climbing. Oh, yes. Tracking, no digging. Fighting. Yeah, jumping. Super jump. Oh, on me. Oh.
Something must have gone down in the cave of dragons.
Captain America Endgame. Like, this is the quantum suit of Captain America. Do you think that body is just really good for the quantum suit. Like, if you watched Avengers Endgame, you probably think Falcon's body is really good for the quantum suits. Like, look how cool it looks. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. Quickly, let's just do this.
Why must I do everything myself?
Oh, that did nothing. Oh. Die. Bye!